Hi, this is Richard Quinn from Forex Beginners, and today you're watching our final video in our three-part series on Forex indicators. Just a reminder to please hit that subscribe button below, as we really appreciate all your support, and even give us a follow on Instagram where we're posting daily content. Our name is FX Beginners. So we'll get straight into it. Today we are discussing a chart indicator called Bollinger Bands, which was developed by John Bollinger and are used to measure the market's volatility. Now, I could bore you with the formulas behind this indicator. However, we thought it'd be more useful to just go straight to the chart and talk through what it's showing you and how you can use this in your trading. So it's worth bearing in mind that the longer the time frame you're in, the stronger these bands tend to be. Now, I've chosen USD CHF today on an hourly chart just because it shows us a few more examples of this theory actually at work. So again, we're going to skip all the boring bits. We're just going to tell you how we use this in our trading. So as you can see, we have three bands on this chart. You have an upper, lower, and middle band. It's important to remember that the price tends to gravitate towards that middle band. Now, when the price hits the lower band or the upper band, that tends to be when we receive a trading signal. So to use a couple of examples, you can see here when the prices hit that lower band, it's then been followed by an uptrend through the middle band up to the upper. It has then hit the upper and retraced back down. Now, I'm sure you can look across this chart and see instances where this hasn't actually worked, and that's why it's really important to bear in mind that you should only use these as one confirmation, and you should rely on two other confirmations before placing a trade. Now, as I said, we aren't going to run through the calculations and formulas behind this indicator, as most charting software does this all behind the scenes. So all you have to do is select Bollinger Bands, put them onto your screen, and let the rest do the work for you. So that concludes our video on Bollinger Bands. It was a relatively short one, but the theory is simple and all you have to do is put it to work. Just another reminder, please do hit that subscribe button and do check out our website where you can find loads more free content. Thanks very much for watching, and we hope to see you soon.